I wrote a song for you, I don't know if you'll listen to, but if you do, I don't think you will understand the poetry. Don't think I'll let you go so easily. Girl, you don't know the depths to which I understand just how much you were meant for me. I had a dream last night that we somehow had made it right, and everything was new and green, and we could dance eternally. But then the sun came out and I woke up to face the doubt that you and I would ever see each other as we used to be. Can't understand how the feelings that we know we had could just be abandoned, be tossed into the wind so easily. It cannot be, you know it meant too much. When in the end, after everything is said and done, see, we chose to spend an eternity without a melody, a symphony, a life without our canon ending. I've heard a story told about a staircase made of gold that winds its way up through the clouds, stops at heaven's door. And if someday I stand before that door without your hand wrapped up in mine, I'll sit right down, wait forevermore. I can't understand how the feelings that we know we had could just be abandoned, be tossed into the wind so easily. It cannot be, you know it meant too much. When in the end, after everything is said and done, see, we chose to spend an eternity without a melody, a symphony, a life without our canon ending. See, the sun is sinking low. It's time for me to go and try to just get by.